Alright, so we have scooped a new car for the garage. As you guys have known, we've been certainly on the market for an Audi. Now this is not my personal car, this is my roommate's car. We have right in front of you an Audi A3. This is a 2018 model. It's a Premium Plus, I believe, so it's right around that mid-trim. You get all the options you need, you know, and you'd want as well. I mean, you get a sunroof, of course, Haldex all-wheel drive, 2.0. You know, this thing puts out a fair amount of ponies. Same actually, it's funny enough, we have both these cars right next to each other, but based on the same platform, MQB, same engine, same transmission. I believe this is the 6-speed. Here's Nick with his new toy. So what we'll be doing today is take her for a little ripperoonie. I did bring, of course, our draggy, and we'll do our best to see, at least get one good 0 to 60 in to see, I think the factory claim, what is it? Like
I think it's like 5.6. 5.6
seconds, and yeah, we might have maybe some plans. We might black out the chrome or do something with it and kind of just take it from there. But I think without further ado, we should hop right in and take her for a little rip. All right, so riding in this thing, quite nice. I mean, obviously, standard. We've been in actually plenty of A3s on the channel, but got the cool screen that pops up and down if you touch a button. All your controls are right here, which is just so nice. You just have everything right in front of you. It's all driver oriented. Everything kind of just faces the driver, which is really cool. These vents, I've been a huge fan of these vents, and the more I drive in these cars, the more just nice they are to use. Very, very intuitive, very easy to use. And yeah, overall feel, I mean, this thing is on stock suspension, stock wheels, and it rides super smooth. You know, it certainly would benefit from a slight drop, but you obviously don't want to take away from the ride quality. It is a very smooth car to drive, and I will say from my car, it's much more smooth. I think that's a joint agreement, right?
Yeah, definitely. Trade-off though.
Trade-off, yeah. A little bit of performance for a stiff ride. We're gonna definitely scope out a good spot, a good safe spot to do maybe just one little run. Because I don't think you've done launch control quite yet.
I have not, no.
So this will be exciting. This doesn't have as aggressive as the RS or the S3 or the Golf R, but it's very comparable. It's ever so close, and I think even the car will indicate launch program active or something like that. So if not, it's still, all these cars have the function. You just turn off traction control, put the car in sport auto or manual. I always prefer sport auto, and then they pretty much just let off the brake and go. So pretty neat. Okay, foot on the brake and then foot on the throttle.
At the same time?
Yep, same time. Hold them both at the same time, all the way down.
30. 60.
Oh, nice. Nice. So we ran from the draggy, we ran a 0 to 60 in 5.67 seconds. As you guys saw, we got pretty close to the car in front of us, but we had to let off, so that's perfectly fine. Our 8th mile, it looks like, was 9.39, but we should probably disregard that given just the space. And then 0 to 60 in 2.1, or 0 to 30, 2.14. So not bad, guys. This thing is a freaking hoot and a half for a stock car, guys. A stock car. I mean, it's fast. Would you say it's fast?
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
pretty damn fast. And again, launch control, we'll put this car, we'll turn on our traction control to make sure we're all set there, but
I want that on.
Oh yeah, but yeah, no, it's really easy to use. Of course, you just bump it into sport and turn off that traction control. Let those revs build up. It's probably not going to work the first time you do it. You literally just have to keep just figuring out the pedals, and then once it kind of revs up, what would you say? It hit like 3 to 4K RPMs, and then 3,000 RPMs, and right when you let off, it just goes just like a stabbed rat. Recommend for anyone watching as an A3, try out the launch control. It has it, and it works. And especially, I mean, with a little bit more spice from a tune, I'm sure you can shave off at least a second. But that's down the line. That's way down the line. Yeah. Might do some minor stuff here and there. We'll have to wait and see. Maybe some cool wheels, and like I said, black out the chrome. I think that'll look mega cool. I think we can even throw like an RS honeycomb grill. If you want to replace the grill, I think it's only like $100 to $200 for that.
Yeah, that's not bad.
And it looks so good. So definitely some options. If you guys have any suggestions, definitely let us know. Certainly open to any ideas, of course. Only 12,000 miles on this car, so it's still a baby, but a lot of potential. These cars are honestly the best bang for your buck. In fact, you know, if you ask me what the best car you can buy for this type of price point, it's going to be the A3, and then I would say a step from that would be, you know, 340i. You know, I think that would just be a really cool to just get your hands on a B58. You know, sure, you can get a Golf R for maybe the same price, but I don't know. These cars are just the best, budget friendly, with so much potential and so much, you know, performance that you can easily squeeze out just from a tune. So yeah, but we'll definitely have this this video out shortly, and I think what are you gonna? Any concluding remarks? Anything left to say?
I'm excited. I want to hear what people have for thoughts on what I should do to it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and I mean, I'm sure we're gonna get a fair amount of comments, of course. So we'll definitely you know, be looking out for those. And thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.